What's going on, everyone? It's Soraya White, and let me tell you, the side hustle game is real. If you're tired of the whole struggling artist or starving entrepreneur thing, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Google Maps. And no, I'm not talking about finding the fastest route to your next burrito run. I'm talking about building legitimate income streams, potentially making $10,000 a month or more. Think about it. Google Maps is how we navigate the world. Businesses are desperate to be seen on there. And that, my friends, is where you come in. We're going to break down 3 proven methods to capitalize on this. And the best part? You can start today, regardless of your experience level. Whether you're looking to quit your 9-to-5 or just want a little extra cash flow, Google Maps is an untapped goldmine. So grab your notebooks, buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll have the roadmap to unlock a whole new level of financial freedom. Right, so first up, we're talking GMB optimization. Now, GMB stands for Google My Business, and it's basically like a business's online storefront on Google Maps. Think about it. When you're looking for a restaurant, a mechanic, or even just a good cup of coffee, what's the first thing you do? You Google it, right? And what pops up? That's right, their GMB listing. Now, here's the thing. A lot of businesses, especially small businesses, they either don't have a GMB listing or it's totally neglected. Pictures are bad, the information is outdated, they're not responding to reviews, it's a mess. And that's where you come in, my friend, as their GMB savior. See, you can actually build a whole business around optimizing these GMB listings for businesses. You become the expert, the guru, the GMB ninja, whatever you want to call it. You're going in, cleaning up their profile, making sure all their information is correct and up to date, maybe even taking some professional photos for them, and bam, their business is ranking higher, getting more calls, more customers, all thanks to you. So, how do you find these businesses that are desperate for your GMB magic? Well, it's actually easier than you might think. Start local. Walk down your street, check out the businesses in your neighborhood. Are their GMB listings on point? Chances are probably not. And that's your in. You walk in, introduce yourself, show them their current GMB listing, and then blow their minds with a mock-up of what it could look like after you work your magic. Trust me, once they see the difference, they'll be throwing money at you to get started, and the best part is, you can charge a recurring monthly fee for this. Because GMB optimization isn't a one-time thing, it's an ongoing process. You gotta keep their information updated, respond to reviews, post new content, all that good stuff. So, you're not just getting paid once, you're building a sustainable income stream. Now, I know what you're thinking, Graham, how much can I actually charge for this? Well, my friend, that depends on your experience, your skills, and how much value you're providing. But I've seen people realistically charge anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per month, per client, for GMB optimization services. And if you can land just 5 clients at $1,000 a pop, boom, you're already at 5 grand a month, and that's just the beginning. Scale it up, get 10 clients, 15 clients, the sky's the limit. GMB optimization is a seriously lucrative side hustle, and the best part is, you can do it from anywhere in the world. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection, and you're good to go. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of GMB optimization and start building your path to a $10K/month income today. Alright, let's move on to method number 2, lead generation. Now this one is all about using Google Maps to find businesses that are actively looking for customers. It's like being a digital matchmaker, connecting businesses with their ideal clients. See, here's the thing. Businesses, especially new ones, they need customers. It's like oxygen for them. And they're often willing to pay good money to get those leads. That's where you come in. You're going to use Google Maps to identify businesses in specific niches that are actively looking for new customers. Let's say you're into fitness. You could use Google Maps to find all the new gyms, yoga studios, personal trainers, you name it, in your city or even nationwide. Once you've got your list of potential clients, you're going to compile their contact information, phone number, email address, website, social media handles, whatever you can find. Now you can do this manually, which takes a bit more time, or you can use some pretty cool software and tools that automate the process for you. We'll drop some links in the description below. Now here's where the magic happens. You've got this list of hot leads, businesses that are actively looking for customers, and you're going to sell it to other businesses that cater to that specific niche. Let's go back to our fitness example. You've got a list of, say, 100 new gyms that just opened up in your state. That's valuable information, right? Well, you can bet your bottom dollar that supplement companies, fitness equipment manufacturers, even marketing agencies that specialize in the fitness industry would love to get their hands on that list. And that's where you come in, the lead generation kingpin or queenpin. You connect the dots, make the introduction, and boom, you've got yourself a nice little payday. Now, the amount you can charge for these leads varies depending on the niche, the quality of the leads, and how targeted they are. But I've seen people charge anywhere from a few bucks per lead to upwards of $50, $100, even more for highly qualified, ready-to-buy leads. The beauty of lead generation is that it's a numbers game. The more leads you can generate, the more money you can make. And with Google Maps being a treasure trove of business data, the potential is limitless. You could realistically build a six-figure business just by being a Google Maps lead generation guru. The opportunities are endless, and with the right approach, you can tap into a goldmine of business connections. Chapter 3. Alright, moving on to method number 3, and this one is my personal favorite. Becoming a Google Maps local guide. Now, this one might not make you rich overnight, but it's a fun and rewarding way to earn some extra cash on the side. And who knows, maybe even turn it into a full-time gig. Imagine getting paid to do what you love, exploring new places and sharing your experiences. So what is a local guide? Basically, you're like a Google Maps influencer. You're out there exploring your city, checking out restaurants, shops, parks, whatever, and then you're sharing your experiences on Google Maps. It's like being a travel blogger, but with a focus on your local area. You're writing reviews, uploading photos, answering questions, adding missing places, all that good stuff. Now, why would you do this for free? Well, the cool thing is, Google actually rewards you for your contributions. You earn points for every review you write, every photo you upload, every question you answer. And as you accumulate points, you level up in the local guide program. And with each level up comes sweet, sweet perks. We're talking early access to new Google products, exclusive invites to Google events, and of course, cold hard cash in the form of Google Play credits or discounts on Google services. These perks can really add up and make your efforts worthwhile. But here's where it gets really interesting. As you become a more established local guide with a high level and a ton of positive reviews, you can actually start leveraging your influence to partner with businesses. Think about it. You're a trusted source of information on Google Maps. People rely on your reviews to make decisions about where to eat, where to shop, what to do. Businesses know this, and they're willing to pay good money to get featured on your profile. You could offer businesses things like sponsored reviews, featured posts, even take them on as clients for your own little local marketing agency. The possibilities are endless. Imagine turning your passion for exploration into a thriving business. And the best part is, you're getting paid to do something you enjoy, exploring your city and sharing your experiences with the world. Now, I'm not saying you're going to be rolling in dough just by being a local guide, but if you're consistent, if you provide value, and if you build a strong reputation, you can definitely earn a decent side income, maybe even replace your day job if you hustle hard enough. The key is to stay dedicated and keep improving your skills. Plus, it's a great way to get your foot in the door of the digital marketing world. You'll learn valuable skills like content creation, SEO, even a bit of sales and marketing, which you can then use to launch your own online business or freelance career. The experience you gain can open up numerous opportunities in the digital space. So there you have it, folks. 3 proven methods to potentially make $10,000 a month or more using nothing but Google Maps. We talked about GMB optimization, where you become the go-to expert for businesses looking to dominate their local search results. We explored the world of lead generation, where you use Google Maps data to connect businesses with their ideal customers. And we even dove into the exciting realm of becoming a Google Maps local guide, getting paid to explore your city and share your experiences with the world. The key takeaway here is that Google Maps is more than just a navigation app. It's a powerful business tool, and with a little creativity and hustle, you can leverage it to create multiple streams of income. So what are you waiting for? Pick a method, any method, and start taking action today. Remember, the only difference between those who dream and those who achieve is action. Now get out there and start building your Google Maps empire, and don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Until next time, peace out.